Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can boost the bass or how we can lower the bass in TOZO OpenEgo. So for that we need to customize the EQ, and we can do that through the TOZO app, which is available in the Play Store and Apple Store, and I assume some apps similar to those as well. Once you have the TOZO app, then what you need to do is of course register your account and connect your headphones. But once you do that, you should have this window. And in order to boost the bass, or in fact change the bass, then over here we have the more sound effects. We can tap over here, and here we have EQ itself, where we can change things manually. We can move the notes in order to reduce the bass or increase it, of course, as we wish. We can tap standard in order to reset it completely. And we can also use the presets. So if you want to quickly and simply increase the bass, then you can choose bass plus EQ, and it looks like this. And if you want to reduce the bass, then you have bass minus. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!